Ngunit sa ibang landas tayo, dinala ng Panginoon. And what happens along the way are really very important. Kaya kung tignan natin, Jesus was not at all successful with His apostles. You can just imagine the time when even those closest to Him abandoned Him. And if we look at the apostles, they were the embodiment of the church. A church that is imperfect. A church that is broken. This is the church that we love. Alam niyo po, marami kaming karanasan dito sa Iloilo kahit sa simbahan po namin. Naalala niyo po yung dalawang pari na nagpakasal po? No? Kinasal. Nandito po yun nanggaling. Si Father Canto at si Father Siva. And it's reached as far as CNN. No, kasi yung ikinasal sila, actually yung kinasal ni Father Siva, si Father Canto at si Father Canto nakasutana pa. And the wife was wearing a gown, a bridal gown. At tapos they kissed each other, and then Father Canto was wearing the cassock. No? Kaya nung dumating ako dun sa Iloilo, that was the time when the height of celibacy was really questioned. But it was the time also when celibacy was defined. So sa mga problems na yan, God will have so many graces despite of all of these challenges. May biyaya ang Panginoon Kaya, alam niyo ba ang pinaka-popular na gospel song of all time? The most popular gospel song of all time is Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace. And I think that's the best term that would capture grace, what grace is. That grace is so amazing. Na talagang, you will really cannot but be awed of how God would work in our life. In my book, Christmas Crosstalk. Christmas Crosstalk. No, it's from